Do you see lions every day in the streets?
I've heard that one quite a lot. But I think that one comes from like all of Africa in general, pretty much. But yeah, no we don't.
All Saudis ride camels to get around.
They're very great on mileage. They can ride very, very long without needing to refill, you know? Their tanks are huge.
Like many people ask me about like the 12 gods of Olympus here. And I'm like, no, that's not a thing.
I don't know why people think we speak horrible Spanish. DR speaks horrible Spanish too, I guess. We all do.
All Dominicans do is dance, drink, go swimming at the beach.
Okay, we don't swim at the beach, we drink at the beach.
Yeah, we eat kimchi every day. That's a fact. It's not stereotype. I like that kimchi is a water for us.
We don't eat sushi every day. We also eat hamburgers, some Mexican food. We eat everything.
We eat a lot of cheese.
Yeah, many people don't think about we eating dog every day, but that was the past because we were super hungry. Like.
Beer is basically like water in Canada.
Well, you can interpret that in a couple of ways. That could be like a knock on the quality of the beer, and I will have to defend Canadian beer, pointing out that our beer is hardly water-like.
We have a lot of delicious food, but it's all very fatty food. So I want to gain weight, come to Syria.
Arabs eat a lot of bread.
Not really. We live see, this is where the inconsistency occurs. If we live in the desert, then where are we supposed to get the flour from?
Singapore people can't speak English.
As you can see, we do speak English.
Damn.
Is it a province of Mexico?
No. Not at all. We're a separate country.
Costa Rica is not an island. We're in Central America. Central.
Like someone thought the Middle East was a country.
Dominicans celebrate everything, like everything. Baby showers, well, everybody celebrates baby showers, but Dominicans, you know, celebrated it like intensively. The baby first tooth comes out, they celebrate that. If the baby's first words, they celebrate that.
Salvadorians are all part of the gangs.
Oh God, that's a big one. No.
Iranians are like, they're so much fun. People think we don't have fun. People think all we do is like pray and like stay at home, and like women like don't do anything.
But like some people say like Japanese are so shy, like me. Actually, yes, I am, but like that's kind of normal for us, like trying to be humble or respect to the others, so.
Actually, not also all Syrians are Muslims. It's almost 70% Muslims, and we have Christians, Alawis, Durzis, and many, many more.
Because of course weed is legal in my country, so a lot of people assume, or when I say like, oh, I'm from Amsterdam, they say like, oh, so you smoke weed all the time, like are you stoned 24/7? That's totally not true.
It's the Arabian Peninsula is mostly a desert, but we're in the 21st century and it's a developed world, so those deserts were transformed into urban cities.
Many people just know of like, okay, our history obviously, but also about the crisis and like how the media has shown the crisis, which is pretty much nothing close to it.
A lot of people think Iranians are terrorists, and I've heard that multiple times, which is not true. Iran doesn't even have to do with any of like ISIS or.
I meet a person who hates Japanese or Asian, like I'm trying to talk to them and try to know about me.
Chinese people wear glasses and are good at math.
Most of them, I would say, well, but that's not because they're Chinese, but it's because their education provided them a better understanding on mathematics or scientific subjects.
We have a mountain called Dweg, and we always use that mountain to represent our enthusiasm and our work ethic. And he said that Saudis will stop working and will stop evolving when that mountain becomes flat with the earth.
And yeah, we dance a lot. At every party Dominicans do, you know, they put on the bachata and merengue and they just start dancing like there's no tomorrow.
People ask me, oh, are you Hutu or Tutsi? Like the whole genocide thing. And yeah, like since the genocide, like we did away with all those tribal things, so that's what brought conflict. So we all have the same language, just because we all have the same culture, or dress the same way, so we're all pretty much one people.
All Syria is about war, terrorism, and refugees.
Unfortunately, past 7 years is what has been, but I think we will have a bright future.
Me being Greek and me seeing like what we've been through the last years and generally like throughout history, like Greeks might do some stupid stuff many times, but they work so hard to like remake this stuff.
Yeah, everyone thinks that we speak Arabic, and I have so many friends that never have heard Farsi as like a language.
It's from back in the day, I believe. A lot of farmers, like more on the countryside, use wooden shoes because it's like easy to walk out of the house and go to their cows and milk the cows or whatever. But I do not own wooden shoes. And
Dominicans speak fast and they're very loud.
Okay, I think this is well, first of all, I'm not loud, but most of the people are quite loud, very loud. They do speak fast, and depends from where you come from in the country. For example, people that come from the capital tend to speak like very fast.
You are allowed to chew gum, but you're just meant to like throw it out properly.
People think Iran is like, because it's a third world country, it's very like traditional, but it's very like really modern. There are Ferraris in Iran. So.
It's not just gangs like we were saying before. It's very beautiful. Like if you go there, there's a lot of places that you would never imagine can exist.
Think that, oh, we don't have like the chain restaurants like Burger King or McDonald's, but we actually do.
People are starting to be themselves more. People are starting to protest more about what they believe in. And yeah, I just think my society is growing faster and faster every day, and I'm just really happy about that.
Whatever we've been through, we're still really happy people and trying to see like the positive side of ways, and like we just try to enjoy our life.
What bothered me about people speaking about Syria, and especially in the past years, that people thinking all the Middle East is the same.
You're banned from this country, or like even like joking, it's honestly not that funny.
They shouldn't really say that because it's kind of mean. But like what's more important is that you get yourself together and prove them wrong with your action. So seeing Rwanda now, just 25 years from the genocide, is just, yes, it's impressive, and I'm proud of that.
I'm really proud of being Iranian.
We're proud to be Greek.
I'm always proud of myself, like being Korean.
It means being part of a family. It means being part of something big. Even though we're a small island, we're a big family.
Syria has a very old culture and very old and great country with great people and great civilization.
If you ever have the opportunity to visit Greece, you should, because there's so much culture.
Come visit Costa Rica, it's very nice.
Pura vida. I would highly recommend that you visit my country, for sure. One of the best countries you could ever visit.
Those stereotypes, or like those things that people say they're not really nice to you, they might make you feel bad for like maybe a day or like a whole week. They might bring you down a little bit, but what matters is, do you let it bring you down?
You should always keep in mind that just because one person does a bad action doesn't mean the whole people that fall under that umbrella are the same. So if anything, keep in mind that you shouldn't judge a whole culture, a whole country because of one person, you know. There's always good people everywhere. You just have to look for them.